Here's another valuable hard skill to include on your resume: your ability to review and understand pertinent medical history, allergies, and things of that nature. Because for every treatment, every medication, there's contraindications, there's eligibility criteria. You want to make sure that you are providing safe nursing practice. And so in order to do that, you want to make sure that your patients actually qualify for whatever treatments wanting to provide them with. And that is key no matter what specialty you're in. And that doesn't change when you get into aesthetics. There's so many different variables that you want to consider to make sure that they're not pregnant. You want to make sure that they don't have a current case of cancer or a history of it. Bronzing is something that you want to be on the lookout for. So many different things that you have to weigh out when you're considering whether or not a particular treatment is appropriate for an individual. So your ability to be thorough, to be careful when reviewing the medical history is awesome. It is very, very important. So that is absolutely something you can include on your resume. And remember, guys, what we talked about before, that principle of individualizing your application for a specific job and position. So every time you are getting ready to submit an application to a different company, you need to be switching up your resume. How do you do that? Great question. Go online, look at that particular company's job description, highlight the skills and the qualities that they want their employee to have. And I want you to transfer those keywords into your resume. That's very important because nowadays they use an electronic tracking system to determine which candidates are most qualified for a particular position. So that's a whole nother story. Maybe we'll get into that another time, but just do it. Trust me, it'll work.